This gelatin dessert is amazing. Let's get started. We begin in a bowl, adding 40 grams of strawberry gelatin along with 250 milliliters of hot water. Stir. Transfer to a container and leave in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Next, passion fruit gelatin, 40 grams with 250 milliliters of hot water. Stir. In the same way, we'll transfer it to a container and put it in the fridge for 2 hours as well. Now the tutti frutti gelatin, 40 grams and 250 milliliters of hot water. Stir, transfer to a container and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Finally, the lemon one, the same process as the others. And 2 hours later, start taking them out of the fridge and cutting them into cubes. We do this one by one and add them to the bowl. Once they're all ready, add them to the bowl and stir to mix everything. Set aside. Take another bowl and add 395 grams of condensed milk. Add 200 grams of cream, 120 milliliters of milk, and 120 milliliters of coconut milk. Now just mix well until it reaches a smooth texture. Quickly mix 24 grams of unflavored gelatin with 5 tablespoons of water. Microwave for just 10 seconds. Add to the bowl and stir. We're going to use a plastic bottle here. We made an opening at the top and cleaned it properly. Now we're just going to alternate between our gelatin mix and the cream we prepared. The cream needs to be well distributed, so take your time with this step. Once everything's added, put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And 4 hours later it's nice and firm, then just cut the bottle like this. Slice into portions, and after that, let's give it a try. A refreshing, colorful dessert that will win everyone over. If you like this fun and delicious idea, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to follow more recipes like this, bringing creativity and simplicity to your kitchen. Don't forget to comment below what you thought of this dessert and how you like to prepare your gelatin. We're signing off for now and see you next time.